Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into homily. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Sermon, which means a talk on a religious or moral subject, especially one given during a church service and based on a passage from the Bible. Sermon. For example, he preached a sermon based on a text from the Book of Wisdom. Number 2. Declamation, which means a rhetorical exercise or set speech. Declamation. For example, lines written for a school declamation. Number 3. Address, which means a formal speech delivered to an audience. Address. For example, an address to the European Parliament. Number 4. Lecture, which means an educational talk to an audience, especially one of students in a university. Lecture. For example, in each course there are supporting lectures and tutorials. Number 5. Speech, which means a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. Speech. For example, an after-dinner speech. Number 6. Oration, which means a formal speech, especially one given on a ceremonial occasion. Oration. For example, his eloquent funeral oration. Number 7. Discourse, which means a formal discussion of a topic in speech or writing. Discourse. For example, a discourse on critical theory. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.